What is a stock market crash? So today I'll be talking about stock market crash. I'll touch on the 1929, 2008, 2020 and the 2022 stock market crash. So when I started my journey as an investor, I was interested in learning about the stock market crashes because they presented investors with the opportunity to buy low-priced shares. In basic, a stock market crash is a sudden dramatic decline of a stock price across a major cross-section of a stock market, resulting in a significant loss of paper wealth. Crashes are driven by panic selling and underlying economic factors. They often follow speculation and economic bubbles. A stock market crash has its cons, especially to those who rely on their investments for retirement. The market can crash in a day or take a few days or weeks, but it usually recovers slowly. Crashes are often followed by a recession or depression. On the 24th of October, 1929, the stock market experienced its first major crisis in the Wall Street crash of 1929, eventually leading to the Great Depression. On that day, known as Black Thursday, stock prices fell sharply as investors rushed to sell off their stocks. Depending on your analysis of a company, selling your shares during a recession isn't always a good idea. I have made some of my biggest gains from buying as the market is crashing because no one knows the bottom where the price will recover. Since the 2008 financial crisis, a resurgence of interest in economic and financial history has occurred among investment professionals. For us retail investors, the 2008 market crash showed us that we have to keep up with what the market is doing and not rely on our own analysis. As Corona was spreading around the world, many didn't see a stock market crash on its way to destroy the economy of countries. The 2020 stock market crash was a major and sudden global stock market crash that began on the 20th of February 2020 and ended on the 7th of April. Beginning on the 13th of May 2019, the yield curve on US Treasury securities inverted and remained so until the 11th of October 2019, when it reverted to normal. The stock market could very well crash in the coming months. This might sound like bad news if you have a lot of your hard-earned money invested and you're afraid to see your portfolio balance. However, in 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic, the most impactful pandemic since the Spanish flu, began, decimating the economy. Global economic shutdowns occurred due to the pandemic. Panic buying and supply disruptions exacerbated the market, especially given that the market was already vulnerable. In May 2022, the market was blood red, but a market crash isn't something to fear. In fact, there are 3 big reasons you shouldn't be concerned as long as you got investments you believe in. For more educational videos about the markets, please like, comment and subscribe.